What's up, Metahero coin holders? So what's going on this time? The Metahero is completely on the trending. You can see here and absolutely get a very good profit from last 24 hours. 8.87% the Metahero price is increased. So definitely, first of all, congratulations to 0.1 USD dollar they will hit now, and I am 100% give you guarantee, my friends. So if they just only get a 10% profit, so this is possible to in upcoming time they will get 0.5 USD dollar, my friend, very urgently. And I cannot sell you, my friends, to the end of month, because my friend, it's also a chance to they were fails down, because after a huge pump absolutely every coin will fails down. So therefore I will notify you to if they were fails down. So absolutely this does not mean to you are starting selling, because some holders are doing very huge mistake, my friend. When they were fails down, definitely they were starting selling. Alright, so my friend, if we check out the last 7 days chart, so in last 7 days you can see here they were very badly lost down, but just in only from last 24 hours they will get a profit. Absolutely, I hope, my friends, today will recover this all lost, and when they will hit the resistance line, so I hope, my friends, today will get a profit. But for that you will need to hold. Absolutely, if you want to get a profit, you will need to hold down, and I am 100% give you guarantee, my friends, today will move forward, and they will give you a very good profit. Absolutely, when they will hit the resistance line, so they will starting change occurring positive. But if we check out, my friend, the last 24 hours, so in last 24 hours this coin is completely on the profit. Everything is going green, so that's mean to they will moving upward from resistance line, and they are in the profit. So kindly holders, if you want to get a profit now, you will need, my friends, to hold and don't starting selling. I hope Metahero price will more increasing at the end of month and give you 100% profit. So don't miss this chance. Please take a risk and get 100% profit. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.